Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we are going to tackle a common problem that many MacBook users might face. Our viewer has been using their trusty MacBook Pro 2014 as a Plex server for quite some time, with the charger always plugged in. However, they suspect that this constant charging might have taken a toll on the battery, leading it to fail, and now their MacBook won't start up. Let's dive into this battery dilemma and explore some possible solutions to avoid similar issues in the future. In addressing the problem of a failing MacBook battery due to constant charging, it's important to understand that batteries have a limited lifespan. Our viewer plans to replace the battery with an iFixit kit, which is a great step towards getting their MacBook back up and running. However, it's essential to acknowledge that using third-party utilities to limit charging to 80% might help extend the new battery's lifespan. While these utilities can be beneficial, it's crucial to set realistic expectations, as the influence they have on battery longevity may be overemphasized. Solution: batteries don't last forever, and over time they will inevitably degrade. Investing in a replacement battery is a sensible move that can breathe new life into your MacBook. While tweaking charging settings and using optimization tools may offer some benefits, ultimately, time is the ultimate factor in the lifespan of your battery. Remember, a new battery can provide you with several years of reliable service, so don't fret too much about the charging habits of the past. To wrap things up, when it comes to MacBook batteries, it's essential to strike a balance between usage habits and battery management tools. While the constant charging of your MacBook may have contributed to the battery's demise, investing in a replacement and being mindful of future charging practices can help avoid similar issues down the road. Remember, the lifespan of a battery is finite, so enjoy the newfound power in your refreshed MacBook and keep on teching on. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment with your thoughts or any battery-saving tips you swear by. Until next time, happy Macking!